I'm making this video to show the board the reality that just can't be understood by looking at drawings on a paper. What's missing is a huge amount of context. The proposed development is in the historic community of Crescent Heights, one of the oldest communities in Calgary. The building of homes began 100 years ago, and although the community has changed and grown over the years, the basic character and integrity has been maintained. The new development being proposed would be a vast departure and is the primary reason why I, as an impacted neighbor, support the appeal and do not support replacing a single-family home with a building containing 8 units. Putting 8 households on a lot built for one would stress the existing infrastructure. The one-lane alley leaves no room for extra cars or garbage bins. Moreover, building 4 garages instead of 1 would exacerbate alley congestion. The plan provides for parking for 4 cars in 4 garages, and parking is already extremely limited by the proximity of the lot to the ridge on the one side and to Center Street on the other, which of course has no parking either. Reducing the natural yard by 90% would lead to a reduction of biodiversity, it would reduce carbon capture, it would reduce rain absorption, which would be a flooding risk for neighbors. On the front side, the buildings would protrude farther than every other existing home on the street, and as my grandma would say, it would make it stick out like a sore thumb. While I appreciate the city's desire to solve a short-term housing supply by increasing densification, replacing a home with 8 homes on this lot would alter the character of the community forever. A solution that creates more problems is not a good solution. I appreciate that the board takes the opinions of neighbors seriously, and I hope will support the appeal.